Chief Secretary Navakishore asserts that Sanzanthong will be completed before Sangay Festival. People panic by patrol in the wake of economic blockade on national highways caused by Kuki People's Liberation Front. And Jennings soon to have 7 new operation theatres and advanced accident and trauma care centre. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I'm Butcher Malambam with the top stories. Eagerly awaited Sanzanthong will be completed and open to the public before the annual Sangay Festival scheduled for November 21. Speaking at a news meet held at the Conference Hall of All Secretariat in connection with Sangay Festival today, Chief Secretary Oinam Navakishore said the objective of the festival being organized by Directorate of Tourism is to popularize Manipur as a tourist destination. Giving detailed plan of the festival, the Chief Secretary said apart from promoting handloom and handicraft products of the state, culture and lifestyle of Manipur, different communities of Manipur will be showcased at various pavilions. Unlike previous festivals, heritage and food processing conferences will be held during this year's festival. Golden Myanmar flight will fly on November 21 and 26 between Imphal and Mandalay. 25 stalls of Thailand and 5 stalls of Myanmar will also be opened in the festival. Navakishore also maintained that invitations requesting to take part in the festival were sent to Prime Minister's office and Indian embassies in 5 Southeast Asian countries. Chief Ministers of the Northeast states were also invited for the festival.
The main emphasis is Manipur by handloom and handicraft products. Food processing items, bamboo items, pothok emphasis PC. Posi mayamda kangan promote emphasis tausi and the committee decide top mana theme hana Torombasina Kari culture ga handloom handicrafts ga maru handakna gasagi labor community tribe represent Ogodova Mokogi Yumsa Kaisa Uttana culture utana huts mayam yauduri hariba Sangay festival nangna by koi lambi semba horo adana mai hawan gare adu thong jijo kari hari Sangay festival ge loidringi mamang da soina dum hangdu ani adu ge mai ge slab casting loi re hariba adu curing matam me kunimo kari mularga dum well before Sangay festival sum hangdu kani da.
Governor V. Shanmuganathan and Chief Minister Okram Ibobi have greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Durga Puja. In his message, the governor said Durga Puja is one of the most popular festivals and it signifies the triumph of good over evil. Ibobi said the festival of Durga Puja epitomizes the eternal message of victory of good over evil. Manipur State President Thaunawjam Chauba today accused the Congress party of creating distance between the hills and the valley. The Chauba was addressing the one-day political discussion program for Thongju Assembly constituency at the community hall of Khongman Zone 4 and Zone 5. He maintained that there is no administration in the hills. He also said the state government has failed to implement MG Narega schemes and PDS items are not distributed regularly.
Sri Kaikhanam Gidaitani, Sri Ibo Gidaitani, Jing Tamun Shina Rigi Maramse. Kaikhanam Say Pumana Kavada, Deputy Shemavada, Cabinet Minister Vada, Congress Party, President Shang Vokanda, Sumatan Taurami Haiba, Amma Pavolete, Hayin Puton Bio, and the Challenge story. Kawum the Sulete, Kawum the Sulete, Numba the Sulete, Noni the Sulete.
The one-day political discussion was organized by Election Committee of Khongman Zone 4 and Zone 5. Addressing the gathering, former MLA of Thongju Assembly constituency T.H. Bishwajit said one should not criticize others' work. He said instead of indulging in criticism, one should focus on performing better.
Yogi Pandaki Miam in the Katoga Sabo, Portugal, Aiki, Ines Habri, Hypocoia, Women of the Matamiwa, planning program of your Portugal, Ines Habri, I think Sukovia, Epizamiam, and locality development, Panavasi, Lady economic oil, chocolate, and with the Motan, Apaki, Razamiam, the guy in the Mota, ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯐꯟꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯐꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯖꯨ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 1ꯗ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ.
Long queues of people were seen at oil pumps in various parts of the state as people panic bought fuel, including petrol. KPNP Liberation Front has called for economic blockade from the midnight of October 21 till the midnight of October 31st on the national highways in all hill districts. As soon as the consumers heard about the economic blockade, they came out in 2- and 4-wheelers to purchase fuel with the apprehension that they will not be available in the next few days due to the economic blockade. Some petrol pumps have stopped sale as their stock has exhausted. They were willing to stand in long queues to buy fuel from the pumps instead of buying at exorbitant prices in black during the blockade. While some people lamented that lack of government policy has compelled the consumers to panic buy when such situation arises.
Rocket haugrena jage phangorodrana losalauban angakpa modi oire manipurje ban tawdingai da rocket tawdingai da thau tangani ana kiu lep da matam mida kai thokna lainar majai punga khranga sije phangoi da bagi mami ju bane ko sum lepsa bane do amom yam ngai jani che ipai sam am pareng preng le mina amu swaina phangmu ji da ko ai jo akhrai din lai je ado PCDC adigi ana le hori jing che uri pok le hori loi pi da pam mayam yaure panic buying oina khanglei lesan base si tawdragadi koi nongmagi leifam tawda khara khado leiragadi thawje khara makaidi dum koine satni khan bidab mase khanje tawdabu economy leke tawsangagadi khone school ka bane madu kiule pa ko tawda khoi ki school class tawu yang ngoi tawdu public ta fazana distribution system ji mong maril nai na fazana control tawragadi masi thoktanaba sinba dum yaba posa amani.
All clubs, organization, association and Mairapai Bilob, Akom Lob appealed to KPLF to withdraw its 10-day economic blockade in view of Mera Hauchongba, Kud and Ningol Chakauba. Speaking to media at its office at Lamfelpat in connection with the 15th Mera Hauchongba celebration, Akomlo President Ketrimayom Somarendro said Mera Hauchongba will be held on the 27th of this month at Mezor Mangang Research Center, Kangabok Thawal District. He also drew the attention of the government to look into the closure of petrol pumps and sale of petrol in black market.
Kumno kangai pangna pangthurpa Mera Hauchongba thim mamam da pangthui handak chehi gi chu ipa ipu gi igi khungun liba tha haiba thim da handak chehi gi chu pangthok chagani yamna mamang edi gi na pangthoktana chingmi tami gi masimnaw gi na laaba chehi mda mutang pangthokba thorom sida ta chena mapung phana pangthopong ngamna ba aswengam thoktana ba economic blockade se tobiganu haiba ba famdu ma khoi thamjari economic blockade ta wari ba piri ba chetheng khudimakti khoi tampakta leba maitei da natana tongan tongan ba punna manipur du khundamine ba khoi khudimakta masige chetheng phangi.
A public meeting convened by Thankul Nagalong in Ukhrul today resolved to boycott Phongya MLA Victor Kashing and Chingai MLA Preso Shimre and ban their entry in Ukhrul district for upholding the 3 bills passed by the Assembly. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM convener Dr. Y. Manikuman said PPCM will conduct drive from tomorrow to check whether retailers are charging more price on essential commodities, taking advantage of the KPLF's economic blockade beginning tomorrow midnight. Addressing media persons at his office at Waimom Laikai, Manikuman appealed to all groups and organizations not to call for band, strike or economic blockade in view of the Ningol Chakauba festival. PPCM constituted a 6-member subcommittee in a general body meeting held today. Consumers Affairs Committee, a part of the subcommittee, will conduct drive to check unreasonable prices charged by retailers.
Manipur da hoji ekoi thenari ba problem me ama jida ekoi gi price fixation government gi leriba sing strictly phajana koi follow tawdana leriba aruga karba wala singna mani makha tamdana economic blockade arigi tongan ba ban singda kudong chaba lawraga thabak mem sathraiba sing matang su ekoi leriba problem sing aruga conflict situation sida ekoi gi angam thakta PPCM gi best level da civil society gi lei yauriba brain toriba punamak sing chi khusam darga thabak changchilani.
A woman was injured when a gypsy coming from Imphal and diesel auto rickshaw coming to its collided head-on near Mongsangai Boroimakong. The victim was admitted to RIMS. She is identified as El Bala, 50 years, wife of Longzam Korongwanba from Thongkong Lakshmi Bazaar, Topsifai. She is a staff nurse of RIMS and the accident occurred while she was on her way to office. The Directorate of Education as in a press note informs that the State Competitive Scholarship Examination, which was postponed earlier due to unrest in the state, will be held on November 15. The JDO's DIs concerned have been informed to start work and conduct the examination. Jaliangrong Union Imphal John in a press note accused the Assam Rifles and State Police Commando of oppressing villagers of Khundi Kabui village under Lamsang police station. The press note said 18 Assam Rifles harassed the villagers from June till September on the pretext of searching underground outfits. The press note said the incident has caused panic and fear among the villagers. Director of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Dr. L. Deven, today said 7 new operation theatres will be operational soon to ease off backlog of operation for various ailments. Speaking to Impact News, Dr. Deven said an advanced accident and trauma care centre will also be opened soon to save the lives of accident victims and trauma patients.
Dialysis machine dialysis machine yamkana set up Torago Honazari, Masi most probably November Tazi Hogdi, dialysis function Torgani, blood separation component Haidana, blood sida cell na tonganba, plasma na tonganba, Asigunova Kulai, Sishoki Laser, patient partigi, young Jarakanda Quena, Tapna Masi cardiac clinic tonganba, Adigi urology clinic, even neurosurgery clinic, Tongan clinic, Miamasakui, gets again as Hatogeri.
Dr. Deven also maintained that patients and staff of the institute are facing huge disadvantages after water taps used in the toilets of OPD block were stolen by some miscreants. He said toilets are lying useless as taps were stolen again very recently after they were stolen 6 or 7 times before. Dr. Deven appealed to all concerned not to repeat such act in future.
Masi kanana logthoibino ro karigi dong to logthoibino habdo khu chap chaba khangwa ngamdre sumai togdana sum hanjina torko targadi mathangda ekhoi security se khar kanna yengsinjargani ro masida kana gumina logthokpa thengnaragadi legally ain gi matungina makoi bu chairak pinena ba khoine sem sadna lejare sumai togdana mayamna su mateng khara pangbiraga jenims se koi luna nana thamnana ba honabada mateng pangbiu haina public ta appeal tawjari.
President in charge of JSC of Amtuk and AMGO, B. Ghanasham Sharma, today said President of the organization, Dr. M. Rajendra Singh, has been removed for indulging in unconstitutional activities on October 17. He said General Secretary of JSC of Amtuk and AMGO, Purujit Lairik Yangbam, has ceased to be the Secretary General and has been issued a show cause notice on the 15th of this month. Ghanasham also appealed to the government to implement the 6th Pay Commission and regularize contract and casual workers.
Akoi hogiba meeting amana executive council ke meeting amana president se removal tawre loina na akoi gi secretary general akoi Purujit Lairik Mamsisu mahak secretary general dagi akoi seize toksalle asi ma karigi maram gino haibda makoi ni se Constitution bu ngak na chataba adugumba makoina tawhidaba thabak mayam tawrpadage executive council da leiriba adugumla ba miyo kunga mathoina yaraktabadagi makoi bu president buna removal tawgre secretary general na seize tawgre.
In response to Catch Them, a campaign started by Impact News, the Pokna Farm and the People's Chronicle, a woman from Kukching narrated her story how she lost her vehicle. Ketrumium Ongbi Sanathoy and her husband Ketrumium Rajen Kumar from Kukching Ningthau Lekai visited Impact News studio and narrated their story how they lost their red Honda Dio at Kukching. Ketrumium Ongbi Sanathoy said she lost her vehicle at Sangeet Academy campus, Kukching Sumang Lekai, on October 16. Sanathoy said she reported the incident to Transport Directorate and Police Department, yet the red Honda Dio is still untraceable.
Academy Kasinda Hoji, like Koramaga Labor, Taramato Makai Hoi Yawi, a day Matunde, Angangi Piron Gatulman, the Lotoeva, Lotoga Zange, Zangaga, Hectolopa Pung Amakai Tabse, Sidagari Leram Dava, Matamzana, Hoji Potoze, Matamzana when the questions in the TV, Kidang ꯐꯪꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯖꯖꯩ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯠꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯦꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯥ ꯁꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯚꯥꯞ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯋꯥꯇꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ.
Now, the person, Mandingbam Ghanasham from Kurai Ningthaubung Lekai, told Impact News that he lost his FZ bike in August 27, 2014 at Sagolban Salam Lekai. He had also filed a complaint at the police station concerned but could not find his bike till date. Ghanasham appreciated Impact News, the Pongnafam and People's Chronicle for their campaign against vehicle thefts to find stolen vehicles in the state.
Mana tambada sumaina hai masi gari je mapanda park toromaga masi changre changga kanda magi kano to pura magi thabak si loraga thorba kana gari je leramdre khudakta koina police ta kaida lagi newspaper ki kai khoi tawda process ma lomak khudakta lomak lore adugo afri fawba kasu masigi matang da thidokpa kenta laibo oite sumaina akoi gi media gi side gi sumaina ama initiative ama lorpa ji si yamna khudi praja gi oina di
Classic Grand Art of the Classic Group of Hotels will be officially launched on the 9th of November. To help the artists of Manipur to showcase their works, a gallery will be kept in the hotel. Speaking at Creative Ripple, an art exhibition at Manipur State Art Gallery Palace Compound, Classic Group Managing Director Dr. T.H. Dhavali said artists of Manipur are facing problems as there is no market to sell their works like paintings, sculptures, graphics, etc. He also said the public should encourage them and Classic Group of Hotels will extend every possible help to these artists. Art and Culture Director Dr. K. Shushila said State Art and Culture Department will take efforts to help national and international award-winning artists of the state. Neozin organized the exhibition as part of its 17th Foundation Day. 18 paintings, 8 sculptures, 5 graphics were exhibited at the function.
We local visitors and the upon the Landi Lakumis, the Burgadi, Sanasana Pumpkin, Kulaga, we are when the system of the SOBA. One of the six said, I got in my book, agriculture, Toro, Sekalaika, Waro, or when I went to Kalibuba, another people of the Hibas and so what a school government and I was from the Lady, I got in my book, artistic the Taylor, but so I have a book of Canada.
Joint Student Coordination Committee JSCC warned that any candidate who violate the Election Code of Conduct for College Union formulated in 2011 will be made to resign even if he wins. Speaking at a news meet held at MSU office, JSCC convener Jayant Kumar Kuman said an 8-member election monitoring cell has been formed for the College Students Union election scheduled for November 2 with its office at Johnston Higher Secondary School to monitor the elections. JSCC will take stern action against those who organize, feast, concert, distribute cards in the run-up to election. Mention may be made that Directorate of Education has informed college authorities to conduct scrutiny on October 28 and elections on November 2.
College Student Union Election 2015 amasung 16 gi point 13 yauba call of conduct asi hayeng digi thabak tawba hauna ba khoi monitoring cell da khoi sinajare nung sinja thumda yaudaba khoi gi yamna samna taseng na election thingnaraga masagi spirit tu thokchaduna taseng election thingnaraga karakpa mairoi singadu puthokna bigi damakta khoi gi call of conduct asi semjabani Sana Kaglon asi ngaktaba candidate adubu candidate amana election da mai pakhrabadi mahakpu resign tahongani.
Students have alleged that elections of Kakching Higher Secondary School to elect 7 secretaries were not fair. Naurem Kiran Kumar, who contested as the candidate for Secretary Games and Sports, today told the media at Desam office at Kaisampat Junction that ballot boxes were not used in the election. Instead, students dropped their ballot papers into Korfu, a cooking pot.
Ngarang pangthokiba Kakching Higher Secondary gi election sida student union gi election sida marung maril tadaba thamoi da yamna penjadaba thodok ama thokre मसिगुम्बा मवोंग मरिल तादबा इलेक्शन तौबगी मवोंग असी यानिंगदे इंक्वायरी कमिटी अमा सेमलगा थिगत केदाबनी डायरेक्टर एजुकेशन एस ना मिटिंग चंगबियु अरानबा तौखिबा इलेक्शन असी चन्नबा यारोय मरम अदुना पांथोखिबा इलेक्शन असी अमुक हन्ना रिपोल तौबियु
Caesar Eye Care Foundation, in association with Ward Development Committee 12 Mayang Imphal, organized a comprehensive eye camp at Pisakmacha Bidya Mandir, Mayang Imphal today. At least 134 patients were examined for eye-related problems. The 51st Foundation Day of Students Cultural Organization SCO Lairanjam was celebrated today at SCO Ground Lairanjam. The highlights of the celebration were presentation of gifts to senior citizens, meritorious awards to 6 students and 2 sportspersons and cultural program.
May Kaba Nishadagi, Laptok Navadagi, Kogi, Nahasing, Masam Upanabagi, Yam Chauba, Mumena Machanjilapoi, Lamdam Sigi, Students Cultural Organization, Nakon, but Jagashida, like Nahamiamsi, Masamu, Panabagi Pandam, Daishoina, Namjaba, Igi Saitagi, Sinjaraga Club Sigio and Angasi, Koi Sana Konabi, Potashi, Lajabani, Mzung Hariba, Masidagi, Masam Upamami, Miam Tolokana, like I Sigi, Naharo, Lahalo, Shellise. Imai bel pudumok jimji kana belobi daga Manipur yam masak nai masam upava samajama sagalakna bohna da chaw mating pangas.
Troops of Jwalamukhi Battalion of Senapati Brigade under Red Shield Division arrested 2 KRAU cadres in an operation in Pongmoil village of Senapati district on October 18. The cadres were identified as Lamko Pau Chongloi, 31 years, and Thankulon Chongloi, 44 years, of Kenjang village in Senapati district. PRO Defense in a press said 7.65 mm pistol, 4 live ammunition of 7.65 mm and rupees 2,500 were seized from them. Lam Khopau Chongloi confessed that he is the president of KRAU under KNO umbrella and has been involved in various activities of the group. They were planning to abduct the staff of a contractor responsible for the repair and maintenance of National Highway 2. Moreh Border Trade Chambers of Commerce, Moreh has alleged that the Assam Rifles are harassing people on the Imphal-Moreh road instead of checking transportation of illegal articles on the road. The organization has also expressed its displeasure and dissatisfaction over the prohibition by the PWD 8-9 km of Moreh. The body also alleged that several trucks loaded with timbers are allowed to move freely on the road by the Assam Rifles. Now in sports, in the 42nd leg match of the 10th Manipur State League, FC Jalan Sadar Hills beat USA Kurai 2-0. Paulen Lal Khongsai and Patrick Kamai netted the 2 goals for the winners, while in the 43rd league match, Trau Kwakithel beat Manipur Police Sports Club Imphal 2-0. KM Bahadur of Manipur Police Sports Club Imphal was given a red card in the match. Nako Nambul Mapal will play ZFC Churachandpur, while Trukpur Nambol will play M Khabam tomorrow. Rao Lairik Bamlaikai beat Doak Yaripok 4-2 today in a league match of Moirang-Them Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League. In another league match, Star Club Moirang Kampu thrashed SSC Porompat 7-1. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Khetrigao Ground. KKCO Ilang Bumlaikai Kangkhut entered the semi-final of the 60th Sir Churasan Singh G KCSI CBE League Kam Knockout Open Kang Tournament. KKCO Ilang Bumlaikai Kangkhut defeated Aku Thangmaiban Kangkhut by 26-16 in the quarterfinal today. The tournament is organized by Ibudhau Moirang Pokpa Development Kang Association under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association at Ibudhau Moirang Pokpa Sanglen Laifrak Bumlaikai Kawa. Yai School Kangkhut will play LSK Wangwei Kangkhut in the second quarterfinal match tomorrow. That's all we have for the time being, but before we end the session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Chief Secretary Navakishore asserts that Sanjentong will be completed before Sangai Festival. People panic by patrol in the wake of economic blockade on national highways caused by Kuki People's Liberation Front. And Janim soon to have 7 new operation theatres and advanced accident and trauma care center.